Hi guys, welcome to Digital Edu World. In this video, we will learn about how to make free online digital classes. In this video, I will teach you how to make any videos free of watermark related to your topic or subject on your mobile. Okay, I hope this will be helpful for you. So, for it, let's begin this topic. So, first of all, we have to open our Google Play Store. I will click here. In the search box, you have to write BENIME. Okay, BENIME is a video editing software or apps. Okay, I've already written here, so I will click on the text, and also I have already installed in our mobiles. So I will just click the open icon. Okay, it will be open. Okay, I have made some classes, so just I will show a click of this. Okay, so related this I have already made these things, so you can see. Okay, this is a handwriting animation like the whiteboard. Okay, but it is free of cost. Okay, and another ones we have to also cancel, go back it, and choose another one. Here I will click here like this. Okay, when I will play, click here like this. It is for the small classes or bigger classes also. You can explain, you can make your topics as a very attractive. Okay, so let now start how to make it. Okay, so first one I will create new one. So we'll click here, yes, and plus one icon. Okay, I will click here. This is your name, your movies, and this is a YouTube, like it is a quality. Okay, YouTube 720 pixel or 180p 1080 pixels. Okay, so I will only just I will suggest you can take as a lowest, because of your videos. If you want to send over the WhatsApp, you can send it. Okay, and this is a like a HD quality or high definition quality. You cannot able to send by via your WhatsApp. So this is for the helpful, and after you have to write name your classes. Okay, or movies. So I will write here class 2. Okay, and our subject is computer. Okay, then I will create it. This is your blank area or working area where you have to do, or you have import your videos and you can explain it. Okay, so first of all I will import our pictures or photo in this area. For that I will click on this icon. Okay, there, click here. Here is the clip art. Okay, here is the this area is the clip art. In the clip art group, you can add new one image which you have already stored on your mobile phone or cameras. You can take. Otherwise, you if you want to take from the internet, so you can also download it. Okay, so this is a drawing option. This is a SAP group. This is a drawing shapes. Shape means if you want to make some shape and explain something, triangle, rectangle, geometrical shapes you can choose from here. Another one, you can take some scratch, okay, animated scratch. It will be like interactive, or otherwise you can click here SVG folder, but I don't have any SVG videos or pictures, so I will click here, go back, and just I want to insert here an image. Okay, so we have we just I will open it. Okay, I will crop it. Crop it means you can crop it. You click here. This is like a settings. Okay, this is the duration you have to increase it. Duration means like within a 20 second or 2 seconds it will be right by using hand. Okay, so let now start. We will try it. Click here, and after, okay, you click here, and after you have to increase the size of the picture. Okay, by using your index, middle, or thumb finger. Okay, I will click here, I will write here like that. Okay, so just I will try it how it will look like. Okay, when I will play here it, oh, it is a bigger size. Okay, so I will close it. Oh, sorry. Okay, where is our classes?